Hello, and today we're gonna talk about class and function. For the example, I want to create some class laptop, and then we create some variable type, and then var price. After that, we need some construction to make this class work on every function. Just type the name class, and then type this dot type. After that, this dot price, and then for the example, we will create the MacBook Pro, and now we need to create some instance for the class. Just simply type var mbp for the example, and then laptop. Inside of this laptop, we need to import this type and then price. For the type, mbp 2011. For the price, we need to type random numbers and then do some print. For the print, we need to call these variables mbp dot, because we use this laptop. Now we need to call this type. To that, we create some print this price. If you run the program, that will be error because we don't have a main function for it main for the example, and then we simply call this function MacBook Pro. If you run the program, and that will be shown. For the example, we just type like this, print list of laptop, and for the price, we need to convert into like this one, price, delete this, create some string, and then curly bracket. Don't forget to close the comment. We forgot the semicolon. We need to create some plus here, and there's the list of laptop. We can simply create another version for the laptop. For the example, we can create some Lenovo, and this LNV, and here LNV, here LNV2, and here ThinkPad. The price is 24567, and we simply just call the Lenovo function. If you run the program, that will be shown. Oops, sorry for that. And thank you very much for coming in, and this is the class and function tutorial. Hope you understand this. At the next video, we're gonna talk about a custom setter and getter.